Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll look at how we can transfer files between a Windows 10 device and a Arch Linux device. We'll be using a tool on Windows 10 called WinSCP. We'll need to download the tool. It's a free tool, and on the Arch Linux machine we need to make sure that SSH or SSHD is enabled. Now I'm on the Arch Linux machine and I have a terminal open. Let's check the status of SSH. We can do systemctl status sshd, and right now it's inactive. We need to make sure that it's active. So to enable it, we'll run systemctl start sshd, and we'll put in our password here, and then we can rerun the command systemctl status sshd. Now we see that it's active and running, and we will also need the IP address on this device. We'll need to input this IP address on the Windows 10 device in order for us to transfer the file. We'll need the username, password, and then the IP address. So for the IP address, we'll just type the command IP address, and the IP address on this machine is 172.16.1.100. With that information, let's go over to the Windows 10 device. This is the Windows 10 device, and as I said earlier, we just need to download WinSCP. So go ahead and open a browser and then search for WinSCP download and go to winscp.net. Okay, just scroll down. You have this option to download WinSCP. The version is 6.5.1. This is the latest version, so just click on this. It should say here downloading WinSCP, and you should see it here downloading. It's not a big file, it's done already. You can minimize this and just go to your downloads folder. It should be in there. So let me delete this one, it's an older one. So this is what we downloaded. To install it, just double click on it, and then you can use either of these two. You can install for all users or just for yourself. Click yes, accept, typical installation. I'm gonna go with the defaults here, install. Here's the shortcut on the desktop, and it's done. I'm just gonna uncheck this, finish. I'm gonna launch it, just double click on it, or you can also search for it if you didn't save it to the desktop. Now, like I said earlier, we'll need the host name, which is the IP address for the Arch Linux device, and then we need also a username and a password. The protocol we're using is SFTP, which is secure FTP. We can also use SCP, secure copy as well. These are secure methods for transferring files. They use SSH. That's why we had to enable SSH. So you can use either of these. I can even change it to SCP, then 172.16.1.100, port 22, SSH, username on the remote device, which is Arch Linux, password for that user, login, accept. And it's going to have two windows. It's going to split this into two windows. One is going to show you the files on your Windows 10 device and the directories or the folders on your Windows 10 device, and then the directories on the Arch Linux device. So you can navigate. I can go to desktops, it's nothing. Documents, nothing. Downloads, I have these files. And on here, this is what I have on the documents. I can go to downloads here. This is what I have on the downloads. As you can see, I have the file I just downloaded. Now to transfer files, all you have to do is drag and drop into the other machine. If I, for instance, I wanted to copy this file to the Arch Linux device, I'll just select it, drag it and drop it, and then click OK. And now it's in the downloads folder on the Arch Linux device. I can also delete it. I can just right click, delete. Okay, and it's gone. Same thing, I can copy files or transfer files from the Arch Linux device to the Windows 10 device. For instance, this file is not here right now. Actually, I have PuTTY here. Let me delete this, and then I can copy this PuTTY and drag and drop it. Now I have PuTTY on this Windows 10 device. Okay, and that's all for this video. That's how you can transfer files securely using SSH between a Windows 10 device and an Arch Linux device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.